Okay, welcome to Reminder&Discover Trade. To today's update, we're going to be looking at a quick move as usual. We do all the time here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, we have in the market resting right here. This is our support level right down here. Market have this huge sell down, and the market turn right quickly, then have a huge bullish up. This candle was a really bullish candle. You can see a very large candle, and the market went up and came down to 10, close to the previous turning point, and went up again a little bit. Didn't make any high, but 10 right there. My thing is covering it, but the 10 right there, and went up again, and this is what we're seeing the turning right here. And we took a buy. We waited a little bit to see confirmation. After saying this, we wait to see this breaking the previous resistance level, so we took a trade based on this, and the market is playing around it right now. And our belief and prediction is that the market will go up, but maybe probably play around a little bit up and down here before finally going up. Okay, let's look back and see what has happened previously. Let's take a big picture look right here, and you can see the trending market here. I have an amazing thing here that I have my support level at the bottom here, and I have my couple of resistance level right here. I think I need to zoom this market in to show clearly what's going on, but anyway, I think we can see this now. Okay, let's look at it from this angle first. This is my support level with the green bar, and my resistance level at the red bar, and I have an in resistance level also as well. This little blue bar also right here. The market has actually been trending down, and it looks very nice on this short time frame as well. This is the market's high, and it's still making lower lows and higher lows as well. And you can see the market first thing and the second thing, and they're all lower than the previous one. And it's been looking clean, and the market didn't break that at all. So it got broken right here with this large candle we talk about, and the market is starting going up. So it's a nice case building that the market will be bullish very soon. But anyway, this is what it is that we can probably be selling. That was in the first one. The second one, we may probably be selling right here, or the third one, or the fourth one. And we took in the fourth one here, and it was very successful, selling down real quickly, and that was very nice. You may probably take a couple of trades here, because we take this one, it lasts for a while, and it hit our first take profit, and we may probably take another trade right here, because the market actually walks slowly down here. We are not supposed to last in trade more than 3 hours, maximum 2 hours, and all that is very cool. But this is what the trade finally, the market finally tamed, and that was a real quick one there, and the market started going up. All right, let's look at what actually happened before that in the market. Also, I have a very cool move down here. Let's say we've seen this 10 in market here, in which the market went up and 10 right here again, and went up and 10 in the same zone again. I love seeing that, and I know that something is about to get bullish. So this is also a cool point to get in right here. You can wait and see these previous resistance broken, which may probably make the trade a little bit late, but you can wait for that, and we wait for it as well. In the market, it got broken, and we get in there, and we were able to make 1:1.5. Our first take profit was hit, and that was nice. And you can see the market trend very well here. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and this is the third touch right here. And it got broken, and you see what happened. So we have in trade, sub in trade trend in market. Also, you can look at those things as well. I always look for 1, 2, and 3 as strong confirmation, but this is a scalping strategy. So if I see one and I see the next one higher than the first one, I take my trade. It is a basic idea of the strategy. That is what we're doing here. Okay, let's look more at what has happened in the previous update as well. We have our support level here, and that support level was a little bit broken, but the zone is too strong. It wasn't far from it, so the zone is too strong. Know that it's not exact pinpoint, it's always a zone around it. So it got broken a little bit before the market went up. So here we seeing what we love so much that this. Let's go back well, so that we can see this well. Um, the market actually have a very huge sell-off. Okay, let's look at it now. This is my red bar at the top, or the main support level, the old one, and this is the new one right here. And we have the support level at the bottom here. And what's actually happened is the market has been making a move down, lower lows, and that's what we're seeing right here. So we keep our eye on the support level. How many touches we have? We have one, two, and the third one it really look clean, and we have our indicators also about to confirming that the thing is getting bullish. So we get in somewhere around here, or we can wait more and get in somewhere around the green candle here, which will probably not end up in a profit, but that is also a very cool idea about the strategy that you keep doing those things and maximize your profit on a high average. And we see that happen, that the market actually hitting the new resistance level inside, and we look for a couple of that. So maybe we must say this is close one, so we wait to say this is the second one, and you can probably take a trade based on that and see final confirmation somewhere around here and sell the market. But we pick a buy on that on a previous trade and it didn't go well, and we do accept that because we're not going to have 100% win with this strategy unless we build it up more. That is also very possible, but that is not what it is right now. That we have a losing trade on this one. I call it balancing trade, and we wait for that and get in the next one, and you can see what happened. That is our resistance, previous one, and they hit it again, and we wait for confirmation. Here it is, and you can see that that trade was very successful with the trailing profit. It really brings something really cool. And after losing this trade, and we have something amazing here. You can look at that. That happened to be somewhere like 1:3. That was wonderful one down there. And this is how cool this market can reward you when you're doing this simple moves with consistency. As we name the title of the trade, that you must be consistent with everything you do. You can see our trade is going back in profit because it's getting less what we had previously. It's getting better. It's -6 now. We believe the market is getting bullish. You can see what happened the previous days. So be consistent with the move. Whatever simple strategy you have, you can see what I'm doing here is pretty simple strategy. And I know we have so many professionals out there who teaches better strategies, but you can be doing something pretty simple and it can be very rewarding because you're consistent with your move. And we've seen this structure of a market having the same hitting level, and you can see some here, you can see some here, and you can see the bottom line here. Draw your support and resistance line and look for touches first and the second one and buy there. Let's say all this one our first touches, and this is the second one here, and wait and get in on this bullish candle and take your first take profit. 1:1.5. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what is going on in the live market right now. Those are the previous market we talk about. So this is what is going on right now, that the market is actually playing around that same very zone. And I put something on it. Let me take this thing off. The market is playing exactly there. You can see what is going on there. And I believe market will get bullish, and we will be able to take our first take profit. 1:1.5. And we will probably update that on the next update. So thank you for watching. Make sure you do follow. See you in the next one.